Falls.
Lamec is situated off the northeastern coast of New Brunswick, separating the waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence and Chilla Bay. With quiet, sandy beaches all around, you'll have plenty of spots to soak up the sun. The name Lamec comes from the Mi'kmaq word Elmagwatasik, meaning the head of the tidal river is turned to one side. Lamec was a town until 2023, when it merged with Sainte Marie Saint Raphael to form the new town of Isle-de-Lamec. Fishing is the main industry here, with over 40 species of fish, mollusks, and crustaceans in the waters. The peat moss industry is also significant, celebrated every July during the provincial Peat Moss Festival. The ecological park of the Acadian Peninsula is close by, a nature complex dedicated to the environment and conservation. The park features a half-kilometer footbridge, an observation tower, and a 2 kilometers interpretive trail with an arboretum. In winter, Lamec offers cross-country skiing, skating, sliding, and snowshoeing. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Lamec, New Brunswick.